Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. We are going to continue by collecting the question number 2 in ordinary level physics national exam 2019. Yes, last video we collected the question number 1, so today we are going to see the question number 2 into section A. Let's go. Question number 2 say that explain the process of hydrological cycle or water cycle for 4 marks. As you see, there is a figure, but before we come to this figure, let us say the explanation about what is water cycle, hydrological cycle, what process that make the hydrological process to happen. Yes, let us first go and see what is. So as you see that the hydrological process is made by just like 5 processes. The first one is condensation, as you see. There is condensation, there is precipitation, infiltration, runoff, and evaporation. So condensation, precipitation, infiltration, runoff, and evapotranspiration. Let us see what is happening first. Before, let us look what is definition. What is hydrological cycle? It's like movement of water above and below the Earth's surface. Movement of water above and below the Earth's surface. So how is it begin? To begin by a process which is called evapotranspiration. First, what is evapotranspiration? Yes, this word evapotranspiration, it's divided into 2. As you see, there is evapor and transpiration. This evapor comes from evaporation. This transpiration is also the second word. If I say evaporation, you know that is the changing of water into the gases. So this evaporation is when water evaporizes from lake, river, and oceans. Yes, that is evaporation. And when I say transpiration, this is like when water evaporates from vegetation. We don't say this process is evaporation, not. We say that it's evaporation when it comes from lakes, river, and so on. But if these evaporations happen through the vegetation, we see that is transpiration. That's why by combining both of them, we say is evapotranspiration. Yes. The next one, when the water vapor rises and condenses to form cloud, which leads into precipitation. If I say precipitation is like raining, yes, in suitable conditions. And after raining, so the water fall to the surface and infiltrate. If I say infiltrate, it's like penetrate into the soil, yes, or flow through the oceans, just like runoff. Yes. So you see that some water will fall into the lakes and other infiltrate the soil, the other runoff to the lake and so forth. So again, when there is solar energy or when the sun is shining, also there will be heat that will come to the river or soil and so on. This make the water again to evaporate and turn to the atmosphere, while the plant turn water to the atmosphere by transpirations. You understand that will make a cycle. Yes, the first one we have seen that during that day when there is the sun shine, yes, the water from the lake, soil, vegetation, river will evaporate into atmosphere by process of evapotranspiration. Yes, and when the vapor rises and reaches to atmosphere, they will condense and form the cloud, which is that to precipitations, and that precipitations fall to the surface and filtrate and other runoff to the oceans, lake and so forth. Yes, and also once also the solar energy come again, or when the sun also shine again, you understand that those water that went to the lake, ocean, and they will evaporate again. So that make a cycle. So let us see. As you see, this figure explained it very well. You see, this is solar energy. The sun is shining. There will be evaporation from ocean. There will be evaporation from the rivers. Yes, as you see, this will be transport water by wind. As you see, this figure explained it very well. This is the solar energy. It means that the sun is shining. As you see, there is evaporation from the ocean and evaporation from the lake. Yes, and they make the water vapors. There is motion by the help of the winds. As you see, after that there will be precipitation to the land, precipitation to the lake, and also runoff from the land to the lake. Yes, and also after some time, also when there is presence of solar energy, also there will be evaporations. Yes, and after there will be precipitation. As you see, there is like two major processes, which is the first is evaporation, the next is precipitation, which make that a cycle. That's why it's called water cycle. Thank you very much. If you have liked this video, please share and subscribe. See you to the next video. Thank you very much.